The M14 rifle, officially the United States rifle, caliber 7.62mm, M14, is an American selective fire battle rifle that fires 7.62x51mm NATO .308 in ammunition. It became the standard issue rifle for the U.S. military in 1959, replacing the M1 Garand rifle in the U.S. Army by 1958 and the U.S. Marine Corps by 1965 until being replaced by the M16 rifle beginning in 1968. The M14 was used by U.S. Army, Navy, and Marine Corps for basic and advanced individual training AIT from the mid-1960s to the early 1970s. U.S. rifle, caliber 7.62mm, M14. An M14 rifle with a magazine shown from the right side view. An M14 rifle shown with a 20-round magazine. Type: battle rifle, automatic rifle, sniper rifle, semi-automatic rifle. Place of origin: United States. Service history: in service 1959, present 1959 to 1964 as the standard U.S. service rifle. Production history: designed 1954, manufacturer Springfield Armory, Winchester, Harrington and Richardson, Thompson, Ramo, Wooldridge, Incorporated. Produced 1959 to 1981. 2. Built 1.3 million. 3. Variants: M14E1, M14E2, M14A1, M14K, M21, M25, MK14EBR, M1A. Rifle specifications: mass 9.2 pounds, 4.1 kg, empty 10.7 pounds, 4.85 kg, W loaded. Magazine length 44.3 in, 1126 mm. Barrel length 22 in, 559 mm. Cartridge 7.62x51mm, NATO .308 in, action gas operated, rotating bolt rate of fire 700-750 rounds, muzzle velocity 2800 fts, 853 ms, effective firing range 500 yards, 457 meters, 875 yards, 800 meters, 3725 id, 3406 meters, maximum range 5.6. Feed system: stripper clips 7, 20-round detachable box magazine. Sights: aperture rear side, barleycorn front side. For more videos please subscribe my YouTube channel Simpati and Kalimbang all. Thank you.